Hello students, this is Sanatan sir. Today we will start a new exercise number 3.9. In this exercise we have to solve some problem according to HCF and LCM. So just read question number 1. Find the largest number that will divide 140 and 188 and leave remain 8 in each case. So the number that we need will divide 140 minus 8 and 188 minus 8. So the number is 132 and other number is 180. Exact number of times. This is because the remainder have been subtracted from the number. Now the largest number is HCF of 132 and 180. Always remind when you have to find largest number, so try to find the HCF between these two numbers or three numbers. But when you have to find a smallest number, then try to find LCM. So the HCF is 132. 132 can be written 2, 2, 6, 6, again 2, 33, now 3, 11. So 132 can be written as a 2 into 2 into 3 into 11, and now 180. 180 can divisible by 2, 90 here, it's again divisible by 3, it's again 3, and here last 2, 5. So 180 can be written as a 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So the HCF between 132 and 180 is 2, 1, 2 common, and 1 next 2 common, and 1, 3 common. So 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So HCF is 12. Now try to solve question number 5. The given question is find the least number of 5 digits that is exactly divisible by 33 and 50. So here we have to find the least number. So at first try to find the LCM of 33 and 55. So you know how to find the LCM. So here 33 and 50. It's divisible. Is there any common factor? No. So just multiply these two numbers, then you will get your LCM. 33 into 50. So our answer is 315, 1650. Now the largest number of 5 digit. The largest number of 5 digit largest number equal to 99999. Now to get the multiple just less than 9999, we divide 59 by 1650. So try to divide 59 by 1650. So it can be divisible 6, 0, 65, 30, 0, 3 can, 6 is 36, 39, 3 carry, 6, 9. So 999. Now subtract the remainder from the 5 digit number, then you will get your answer. So our answer is 5 digit greatest number minus 999. So our answer is 99000. This is our answer. Understood everyone? Question 8. Two containers can hold 232 liters and 276 liters of water. Find the capacity of the largest measuring jar that can be measured the water in containers exact number of times. So here is the 3 liters one container, and other container has 276 liters. So we have to find the largest measuring. Largest measuring means we have to find the HCF of 232 and 276. So how to find the HCF? We know the process to find the HCF. Just try to find the factor of 332. It's divisible by 2, 1, 6. Again it's divisible by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 8. Again it's divisible by 2, 2 29. Now the factor of 332 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 29. And similarly the factors of 276, 2 1 2 3 are 6 and 2 8. Again it's divisible by 2, 6 are 12, 18, 6 9s are, again it's divisible by 3, 3 2 3 3. So the factors of 276 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 9. Now try to find the common factor. That is a 1 2 and second 2. Is there any common except these two? No. So the HCF is 2 into 2 equal to 4. So our answer is 4. Understood everyone? Now try to solve question number 9. The given question is there are 129 apples, 215 oranges and 172 papayas to be distributed equally in the basket. What is the largest number? Again it's largest number, so we have to find the HCF of 129, 215 and 172. We now try to find the factor of 129. So it can be divisible by 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So factor of 129 are prime factor 3 and 43. Next it's divisible by 5, 5 4s are 20, 1 5 3s are. Again the factor of 215 are prime factors are 5 into 43, and the factors of 172 are 2 8s are 16, 12 2 6. Again it's divisible by 4 3. So the factors of 172 are prime factor actually 2 into 2 into 43. So try to find the common factor between this. So here is 43 is the only common factor. So our HCF is 43 and this is our answer. Understood everyone? Now try to solve question number 11. Try to solve question number 11. The question number 11 is this successive traffic signal turn green at interval 20 second, 20 second, 25 second and 30 second respectively. If they all turn green at 9 am, what would be the time they will turn green together again? So in this problem we have to do LCM. So LCM of 20, 25 and 30. So you know how to find the LCM 20, 25 and 30, right? Like as now try to divide by 2, we will get 10, here 25 and here 15. Now try to divide by 5, you will get 2, 5 and 3. They are co-prime to each other. So our LCM equal to 2 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 3. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10 and 3. So that's means 300 second. 300 second means 300 by 60 equal to 5 minutes. So what would be the time they all turn green together? So at 9:06 am they will be turned together. Understood? So this is our answer. If have you any problem, then call or WhatsApp me full freely, and your homework is only exercise point 3.9. Understood everyone? Okay, Bye. Thank you.